Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review Balmbare hair revive gummies. You should buy these gummies or not. Does it really work or it just a new scam? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand is approx 1 year from now, and in the period of 1 year they have good review on internet. Okay, so you can see like 586 reviews on Trustpilot and all of the reviews are really good, but the actual thing is not a review. Okay, so the main problem of the product is like product copies. So you can see the similar product is easily available on amazon.com and on amazon.uk, and you can see like there are so many, you can select similar product is available, and each and every product brand is different, like brand name Rulinal, and the brand name is Clooney's, and the brand name is Neonomicon. Okay, so these are the brands. So basically when you search this product is easily available in the market, and as well as some other official, you can say like some other websites, the website working on dropshipping model, the same product is also available on these kind of websites. So it's all indicating like this product is totally looking like a dropshipping product. Okay, and if we talk about like some other problems, the first major problem is like subscription. You can see on the official website of balmbare.com there is a subscription issue also. So you can see there are so many, you can see like comments available on internet, on Trustpilot, like they have just purchased the product, but automatically they have activated subscription on their account, and even they cancel their subscription, still they are charging on their account. So these are the basic problems. Now if we talk about like the product, basically the product is marketed as it will, you can like reduce your hair fall, it will reduce your breakage and damage, it will improve your long hair thickness and all. So all these claims are looking good, but if we talk about like results, so definitely the result will not come overnight. You have to take these kind of supplements at least for 12 weeks, and after 12 weeks you will see some noticeable changes, but the pricing for 12 weeks is very high because 1 month supply costing is also very high. So you can imagine the pricing for 2 or 3 weeks. So my suggestion is only this: you should avoid product purchase. You can save your lots of money. If you have any kind of issues, you can consult your healthcare provider, or you can like your hair specialist, dermatologist. They will suggest you some better options. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. If you really want to try their supplement, please don't try to take any kind of subscription, just purchase this product only for one time purchase. Okay, so this is the information for you. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Bye bye, take care.